Tutorial, we'll write a Java program to add two dates. For that, we'll import a Java library from java.util.calendar, and we'll create its two objects. So we have calendar c1 equals to uh, calendar.get instance. Okay, and we do same for c2 equals to calendar.get instance, and we create a third object which will store addition of these two dates. So this will be, let's say, c total equals to, and we will clone our c1 into this c total, and then we will add c2 to the c total. So I say c1 dot clone, and because this is a calendar data type, so I'll need to mention that it is a calendar data type. Okay, now we'll add one by one year, month, date, then hours, minutes, seconds to our C total. So I say C total dot add, and I'll add calendar dot year, and for on the place of year, since my C total already has C1 it, so I just need to add the year of C2. So I'll say C2 dot get and calendar dot year. There I go, and I'll do same for uh, month equal c2 dot get calendar dot month, and since months in Java starts from 0, so I'll add 1 to it because I have 0 based months. Okay, and I'll do same for date as well, calendar dot date and c2 dot get calendar dot date, and I'll do same for calendar dot hour of day, c2 dot get calendar dot hour of day, and c total dot add calendar dot minute, and c2 dot get calendar dot minute, c total dot add calendar dot second, c2 dot get calendar dot second, c total dot add calendar dot millisecond, c2 dot get calendar dot millisecond. Now let's print it. We have first clone our c1, which is date 1, into our c total, and then we are adding each attribute like year, month, date, or minute, second, and millisecond of c2 to c total. Okay, so let's print it. I'll say system dot out dot format, and I'll say our %s, which means this one string plus another string equals to another string. Okay, and I'll pass c1 dot get time and c2 dot get time and c total dot get time. Okay, let's run it and see if everything is working fine. We have got error, cannot find symbol calendar. Okay, so I made a mistake, DAR not DER. I need to change all of them. I'm sorry for the mistake. I need to change all from E to A. As I told you before, I don't remove the mistakes that I do from my tutorials because I want you to learn how we make mistakes and then how we debug them. Okay, let's run it again and see if cannot find symbol c1 dot clone. Not close, I was actually cloning it. Okay, I was actually cloning it, not closing. There we go. So we have our date. One date is Thursday, Jan 28, and this much time 2021 plus Thursday, January 28, this much time and 21, and we have added both of them, and now we have and our resulting date is Sunday, July 27, this time and 4042. So if you see, year has been doubled from 2021 to 4042, and other dates and time and day have also been added. So let me walk you through the code once again. What we have done is we have imported calendar class. We have created two objects which will just give us the current date time right now. Okay, so we have current date and time in C1 and C2 both. Then we have cloned our C1 date into C total. Now since we have one date which is C1 into a C total, we just need to add C2 into C total. So we are adding one item at a time, which is year, month, date, hour of day, minute, second, and millisecond. So we are just adding C total dot add, and we want to add the year, and we get the year from C2. So we get year from C2, then month, then date, or minute, second, and milliseconds. We add all of them into C total, and once we have done, we have actually added C1 and C2 and stored it into C total. Finally, we print that C1 date plus C2 date equals to the total that we have calculated. So that's it with this tutorial, and I'll see you in next tutorial.